All right. Okay. So I finally finished my hair. I retightened my hair. Finally finished it. Oh, it feels so much better. When you when it's time for you to retighten your sister locks, do it feel like it's pulling, that it's a little sore to you? I was wondering, am I the only one that happens too? So anyway, I finished retightening. I had a lot of new growth. This little lock here is really, really growing. It was just absolutely bald right here at one time. And so, with me putting my castor oil on, which is right here, my castor oil, this is what I use. This is my own personal. This is what I use around my edges, and then I massage it real good. And so with me using that, you see how nice and healthy my edges are. Right in here is my little peak. That's just baby hair right there. I just have really curly hair, right? But anyway, I have no hair loss in the edges of my head. And so that's because I use the castor oil, right? And I massage it. So what I'm getting ready to do, because I just finished, and I really don't like to put a lot of rollers and braids and stuff like that in it. I usually, when I finish retightening my hair, I usually wear a nice flat ponytail, right? Or I'll put it all to the side. And so it's a little warm today, so I think I am going to put it all to the side. I'm going to use um, this little ponytail holder that I found online. And I am going to first of all spray it with my rose spray. I love rose spray. You know why? Because it has everything that I need. It has the vitamin C in there. And it's really light. It don't have all the other ingredients in there. And I just kind of wanted something really light in my scalp just to kind of soothe my scalp from the retightening session that I had. Um, and so the rose spray is my perfect middle ground, right? I don't really need to have all the other ingredients in it right now. I just want to soothe my scalp, right? So as you see how I move my hair around and I lift it up and I really spray the ends real good, right? So this is what I'm doing with this. Just wetting it real good. Just getting it remoist. And and so what I did, I steamed my hair. Oh my God, I hadn't used peppermint oil in a minute. And I put the peppermint oil on my freshly shampooed hair. And I'm telling you, my scalp, it felt so invigorating. It was like, woo, right? It was nice and cool. It's like a cool. Like I said, I hadn't used the peppermint oil on my scalp in a while after shampooing it and then steaming it. But it felt so good. So anyway, and now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put a little bit of my super conditioning whipped cream with jojoba and lanolin in here. I'm going to just put a little bit in my hair just to kind of give it a little more moisturization after retightening and all of that. Just to kind of, and I'm going to leave this in. All of our conditioners are leave in or rinse out, and I'm just kind of putting it on top. Not going to do a big old conditioning session, right? This is about the last of it that I'm going to put on the top of my head. And then I always see how I open my hair up and kind of just rub it through my hair onto my scalp. That's what I do. And then I always whip my hair around and put a little bit on the ends of my hair. Just don't forget the ends of your hair, right? Even though it's the furthest down from your scalp, you still need to have them, moist so that it'll cut down on the breakage, right? All right. Oh, that feels so much better. So now I think I am just, see, I just kind of lay the little baby hairs down. I usually just use my fingers to really rub my edges and tame them, right? I don't really use a lot of gel in my hair, um, so I'm just doing that just a little, just to kind of tame the edges, right? And then I think I'm going to just wear my ponytail. That's what I'm going to wear. Using that, um, this, I don't even know what to call it, bendable ponytail holder. That's what it is. It's a bendable ponytail holder. And so that's what I'm going to be using. And by the way, I got this from what is it? What Naturals Love or something like that. I really like their hair accessories. Just a little shout out for them. And so anyway, so this is what I do after I retighten. I don't do a whole lot. I let my scalp kind of rest because my scalp really is a little tender. And, from the retightening session. And so that's what I'm going to do. So, so just going to put my hair, you see that I kind of like to kind of cover that little part up. It's used to be completely bald right there. And now, I have some hair on my head there. And so, but it's still just a little, still just a little sparse. So I just put my hair, just comb it together with my fingers, right? And I love after I retighten my hair because then I can wear a nice ponytail, right? A flat ponytail without a whole lot of new growth. So then I just take this and I just put it started here like that, right? And then just twirl. It's just bendable. Just twirl it around like that, right? And voila, there you have it. And I just kind of comb, see, like that, right? So that's my little ponytail. Then I try to get these little scraggle hairs out the way. And I'm not going to even put on any makeup. I'm just going to be totally natural. I'm sweating here. It's a little warm here today. So that's all I do. I'm going to throw my beaded cowrie shell African earrings on, and I am good to go right here. And I am good to go, y'all. So I hope that little tip was good for you and helpful to you. And I will see you later. Peace.